Here are common terms used in literature. Character, 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 character. Plot, 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 plot. Setting, setting, setting. Theme, theme, theme. Conflict, conflict, conflict. Protagonist, 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 protagonist. Antagonist, 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 antagonist. Narrator, narrator, narrator. Foreshadowing, foreshadowing, foreshadowing. Irony, irony, irony. Metaphor, metaphor, metaphor. Simile, 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 simile. Symbolism, symbolism, symbolism. Imagery, imagery, imagery. Allegory, 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 allegory. Genre, genre, genre. Tone, tone, tone. Mood, mood, mood. Alliteration, 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 alliteration. Hyperbole, 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 hyperbole. Onomatopoeia, onomatopoeia, onomatopoeia. Rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. Rhythm, 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 rhythm. Stanza, stanza, stanza. Verse, verse, verse. Metonymy, 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 metonymy. Synecdoche, 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 synecdoche. Oxymoron, oxymoron, oxymoron. Diction, diction, diction. Syntax, syntax, syntax. Euphemism, euphemism, euphemism. Paradox, 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 paradox. Cliche, cliche, cliche. Epiphany, epiphany, epiphany. Antithesis, antithesis, antithesis. Motive, motive, motive. Characterization, characterization, characterization. Flashback, flashback, flashback. Suspense, suspense, suspense. Climax, climax, climax. Dynamo, dynamo, dynamo. Cacophony, 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 cacophony. Epic, epic, epic. Epilogue, 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 epilogue. Fable, fable, fable. Fiction, fiction, fiction. Genre, genre, genre. Haiku, haiku, haiku. Hubris, hubris, hubris. Inference, inference, inference. Juxtaposition, juxtaposition, juxtaposition. Lyric, lyric, lyric. Malapropism, 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 nemesis, 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 ode, ode, pacing, 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 quixotic, 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 rhetoric, 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 satire, 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 tragedy, 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 understatement, 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 voice, 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 wit, 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 zeugma, 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 ballad, 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 catharsis, 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 dramatic monologue, dramatic monologue, dramatic monologue, enjambment, 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 foil, 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 gothic, 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 iambic pentameter, iambic pentameter, jargon, 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 kaleidoscope, 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 limerick, 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 melodrama, 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 narrative, 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 pun, 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 quatrain, 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 rhetoric, rhetoric, sonnet, 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 tragicomedy, 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 utopia, 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 vernacular, 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 Wagnerian, 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 yarn, 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 zenith, 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 illusion, 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 dystopia, 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 elegy, 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 imagery, imagery, imagery,